Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera, and guys and gals, I want to welcome everybody who is new to the channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, guys. I truly appreciate it. You guys, you don't know how much that means to me. You know, I don't have a big following, and it's okay because I'm doing this because I want to share my personal financial journey with everybody. Guys, today I'm going to be going over a little bit about myself. I'm going to be going over why I do this. For those of you who don't know me yet, I'm going to talk to you about why I do the stock market, crypto market, and all that stuff. I'm also going to show you guys what is going on with my analysis on Dogecoin, which I got so much grief for on this past video. Like, people just, you know, disliked the video, but I feel like it was for reasons that maybe they didn't watch the whole video, or they didn't understand where I was coming from based on this video. I think people think I'm bearish on Dogecoin, and I'm not. I'm actually very bullish on Dogecoin, except this last video happened to be based on a day trade I was in at that time. But I do have a long-term Dogecoin portfolio, and I am very bullish on it in general. So guys, if you guys please stick around to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so you get these videos, because sometimes I do talk about time-sensitive stuff. And yeah, let's get on with it, guys. Also, you know, somebody mentioned that my last video was terrible, and therefore that's why I only had 30 subscribers at that time, you know, of the video. You know, it doesn't matter if I have 30 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers. I am thankful for each and every person that watches my video, because if one person, just one person, changes their life financially, for financial freedom, just by being encouraged by watching what I'm doing, and then them replicating that and changing their life, that's all that matters. That's all that matters, guys. I'm not here, you know, to try to be famous. I'm just taking you through my journey and encouraging you to look into what's going on, do the research, look at the technology, look into the future, so you could be financially successful. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to be a guru. I'm not telling you I know more than you. I'm not telling you I make more than you. I'm telling you that this can change your life. This can change your life if you want it to. If you really put in the work, if you really study. I put in the work, and I study all the time. And I am leaving my former life, essentially, so I can wake up any day I want and do whatever I want. So please stick to the end of the video, watch the whole video. If you want to make an assessment based on the video, I encourage you to watch the entire video so you can get an idea of what I'm truly talking about. Let's get into it, guys. I'm going to show you what's going on with my long-term portfolio and the actual video analysis on what's going on right now with Dogecoin, and what I actually correctly predicted what would be happening with Dogecoin. I've been buying and trading Dogecoin since it was 2 cents. I have been a big believer in Dogecoin. I made a lot of money in Dogecoin, and I'm not saying I'm a millionaire or I'm rich or anything. I just made, you know, more money that I could make in one day in any business and any job trading Dogecoin these last couple of times. You know, the first time I actually started trading Dogecoin on the first explosive movement, I was able to make $22,000 in one day, guys. Let's get to it, guys. Alright everybody, so here we go, guys. So we are back at on the Dogecoin prediction, guys. As you guys could see here, I'm gonna remove these right here. I was actually correct on my prediction for Dogecoin for the past for the past 24 hours, guys. I got a lot of slack because I said that we were gonna go all the way down here and possibly even break down. And I was talking about day traders, guys. I am not bearish on Dogecoin. I have a long-term Dogecoin portfolio that I will be holding for a very long time. I am a big believer in Dogecoin, and I have my conspiracy theories why I think Dogecoin will be successful in the future, but I will present that to you in another video. But as you guys could see, I actually as well, if you go back to 2 videos ago, I correctly predicted that Dogecoin would be getting to the 38 to 40 cents range and then coming back down, guys. That's on my 2 videos ago, guys, which I will pin towards the end of this video, guys. I'm not here to try to, you know, flex on anybody. I'm not here to, you know, try to be a guru, guys. I'm just reading the channels. I'm just reading the technical analysis. I'm still new at this, guys. I'm still learning. If you're making more money than me, that's great. I'm not here to show you how to make money. I'm just here to encourage you to keep going on this, you know, Bitcoin and Dogecoin and crypto and stocks thing, because it can make you money. And if you're making more money than me, congratulations. I'm not here to compete against anybody. The competition is me. But enough of that, guys. We have been hovering around this area, to which I predicted on my last video that we would get to the 22 cent area. And right now, guys, we are hovering at the 23 cent area, 1 cent above my prediction, guys. And we've been holding that steady for the last 16 to 18 hours, guys. So it's been holding here, but we're not out of the woods yet on my personal prediction. Once again, not a guru, guys. I'm just personally predicting what I think is gonna happen. We may be hovering around this area for a while, just like we did the last time with Dogecoin at the 50 cent area. We may be hovering either here and then getting an explosive movement back up again towards, you know, the higher side of the price, either the 40 cent area again to the 50 cent area, or we could come back and we could either come back down and break the channel all the way down again. But this one is not very likely to happen for right now. What I think would probably happen is oh no, I just erased all my drawings. Holy moly, so sorry, guys. What I think personally what's gonna happen is that if we cannot hold the support area here, then we're gonna go down. It seems like we've already broken the channel, so we may be going down to this area, the 12 cent area, or in worst comes to worst, we're gonna go back down to the 70 cent area. Right now, as you guys could see, the channel is still holding, is still there. Whoops, gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Once again, I'm still new at this. It's also I just woke up a while ago, so I'm doing this. But as you guys could see, you know, the channel is still here, and we already somewhat broke this channel here, guys. We already broke the channel, and it seems that either we're gonna hover around the channel or we're gonna break the channel. This was where the channel was. This is where I predicted, and it seems that we may and I apologize if you hear a chirping sound in the background. That's my bird. I apologize. There's nothing I could do about them. I love them, and they're in the cage in the back making noises. But as you guys could see, we broke the channel. More likely than not, usually when you break a channel, you're gonna go down towards the bottom end of the channel, and we may be seeing the target price go down. Once again, guys, this is for day traders. If you're taking a short-term position, which I was in, this is what I'm talking about. Now, if you're just a long-term holder and you're trying to catch a better price, you can do that as well. I have strategies for that as well. Catching good prices, we could chop up your entry point into different target points. That way you're not stuck with one big price, guys. You guys could chop it up into 5 different pieces and set 5 different entry points, and every time it gets to an entry point, go in on a trade on your trade for your long-term portfolio. Once again, this is for a short-term portfolio if you're doing like day trades like I do often, but I also have my long-term portfolio, which I will show you guys as well. So once again, guys, if you're trying to catch a better price for a short-term trade, right now is possibly something to be paying attention to. We're either gonna hover here for a while, just like we did here for a long time. And I actually had channels, and I just erased them by accident. I had channels that were clearly predicting that we were still within the 50 cent area for quite a while on Dogecoin, and it's really starting towards the beginning of March, guys. We hovered around the 50 cent area for quite a long time. We consolidated so much, and then we had that explosive movement up we saw a couple of days ago. And yeah, here we are around the 50-cent area, guys. We could see we hovered forever right here until we got that explosive movement up. So this could happen once again. We could hover here on the 23 to 25 to 20 cent area and then go back up, guys. We could probably go back up or not, or if not, we're gonna hold here, and probably go down since we already have broken the channel. I'm not a guru predicting anything imprecise, guys. The MACD is starting to curl up. It looks like we may have seen the worst of it right now, but it's still, the MACD sometimes could be deceptive. Right now, we are looking like we're starting to possibly go like this again, which would show us a possible move up, but we could very well just keep going down. This is the 4-hourly chart, guys. On the 1-day chart, we are still not out of the woods. That's for my prediction, guys. It looks like we always need to come down, guys. As you guys could see, the MACD always comes down from the very highs all the way down, and we haven't seen that yet. So yes, I'm a little concerned for day trades that I won't be able to catch a good price for a while. Long-term portfolio, I'm not worried, guys. Once again, my long-term portfolio stays and holds forever. I'm not touching those. They're there. But as you guys could see, every time we come off of a high, we have a spike up. Boom. Here's the end of the spike. As you guys could see, the end of the spike is here. And then what does the MACD start to do? It starts to go down. It starts to go down, and you get to see that retracement down. Well, as I mentioned, once again, the MACD is not even there yet on the 1-day chart. This is a 1-day chart. Every candle measures 1 day. So this is something you pay attention to for more than 1 day. This is multi-days. This is about a week's worth, a month's worth, really 2 months worth right here. This whole chart is 2 months worth of candles, which represent 1 day. Unfortunately, we still haven't touched this part of the channel even remotely here. As you guys could see, the channel, the MACD, I'm sorry, it breaks down and then it goes all the way into red. We haven't seen that, guys. So once again, that's why I'm saying I am not sure if we're gonna hold this channel forever, guys. I'm not sure if this channel is gonna hold forever, because it looks like we've already somewhat broken the channel, and we may be going down. We're hovering around my target price, which I mentioned, and I also mentioned that we could still go down. You know, if you're a holding portfolio, you're a hodler, you know, if you're a hodler, keep hodling, guys. Don't sell your Dogecoin. If you're a big believer in Dogecoin, don't sell it. Look for better entry prices to add to your portfolio. Right now is a decent entry price to add to your portfolio. Like I mentioned to people, chop it up into different entry points, maybe 5 different entry points. You know, buy a little here. If it goes down more, buy a little bit more. If it goes down more, buy a little bit more. And eventually you're gonna get to your target price level with an average cost that is much more decent if you had gone just all in right here and then it goes down, or all in up here and it goes up. It works both ways. Chop it up, go down, more, or more up until you see that all the way that it's going up once again, or we getting a bounce off the MACD. That's just the way I'm looking at things, guys. Once again, I am not a guru, guys. I am not a professional. I haven't been doing this for a very long time. I have been able to make some pretty profitable trades, guys. It's not about the money. I'm not here to flex on anybody. I'm just here to share my personal journey with you guys. I'm just here to show you how I'm trying to achieve financial freedom. I'm not a guru, guys. If I'm wrong, please point it out. If you guys have a different opinion, just be respectful about it, and I'm happy to talk to you about it. We can all look at it and make better predictions for ourselves and for our community, guys. It's all about our community, guys. I'm not here to be better than anybody, guys. If you guys see me messing up, please point it out and be respectful, or point out that, look, I see something different, let's look for it, or look out for it, and we can all look at this together, guys, and get better prices for our crypto. So that's it for this analysis, guys. That's just that. Thank you very much for paying attention to this. I will continue with the video. Alrighty everybody, so here guys, here is the screenshot of my long-term Dogecoin portfolio where I keep Cardano, I keep a little bit of Polkadot and some XLM guys. Guys, this is the actual balance of my portfolio. I am not, like I said, I'm not some rich guru. I'm just a regular dude trying to grow a small account into a much bigger account. This account was it was already at $6,000 at the high of Dogecoin and Cardano. I'm down obviously like 35 to 40%, but that's okay. I'm never gonna touch these coins. As you guys could see, these coins right here are for Doge. These Doge coins I will never touch. I'm gonna leave them there no matter what happens. So I'm gonna leave my Cardano there no matter what happens. My Polkadot, what happens, I'm gonna leave it all in there, guys. This is the actual my long-term Dogecoin portfolio to show you guys that I am bullish on Dogecoin in the long term. I'm gonna keep adding to this portfolio. The average cost of this portfolio is pretty cheap, but I'm gonna keep adding more, guys. I am diversifying all my finances into many different assets, not just Dogecoin, not just Cardano, not just Polkadot, Bitcoin, Ethereum, housing, buying real estate property, buying cash flow generating assets, putting my car in the Tesla network. Everything that I'm doing is to make money, guys, and I'm gonna try to achieve the financial freedom for myself. Here it is, guys. I'm showing you, this is my long-term Dogecoin account that I'm holding, and I won't be selling out anytime soon, and I don't encourage anybody to do it either. But once again, remember that we are speculating. We are speculating that Dogecoin will get to the moon. It could very well not get to the moon, but that's okay because we are prepared to lose money if we need to, because we believe in Dogecoin just like we believed in Bitcoin. I was buying Bitcoin at $700 a token, and then I lost my wallet keys. But anyways, there it is, guys. There it is. Alrighty everybody, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate everybody. All my new subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Feel free to watch my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bells. I'm not always gonna be talking about crypto or stocks. I'm here to motivate everybody to doing what it takes to do to live the life you want, achieve the financial freedom you want, and just do everything you've always dreamed of. And live and not be tied down to a 9-to-5, trading your money for trading your time for money and putting somebody else's needs ahead of yours. So thank you very much for watching. Please continue to watch the channel, and I will see you guys on the next.